Massey Ferguson GC series owners, the wait is over. It is here. Now available for the FL.1805 loader from Massey Ferguson for the GC1723E and the GC1725M SoftDrive loader accumulation system, and the boom 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 boom, what everybody's been waiting for, solenoid third function. Right there is a factory installed solenoid third function kit. We've got them in, we got them installed. It comes with the new handle kit, the wiring kit. It allows you to get third function by the simple push of a button. This is an electronic diverter valve. You push the button, go side to side, and that'll open and close your grapple. Go release the button and go back, and it'll open or go back to the tilt and dump function. Front to rear is going to open this cylinder. Left to right opens and closes your tilt cylinder. The solenoid, when activated, will operate this grapple system. We don't have the couplers hooked on. We just put this on here to show it is available. It's something that you can add now to your GC1723E or 1725M. It must have the FL.1805 loader. It's the new loader from Massey Ferguson. We did a video about the new upgrades for it. This is part of the reason of the switch, is added accessories and availability of other options for FL.1805 series owners. It's taking the GC subcompact series to a new level. We're going to jump on here. We're going to show you why SoftDrive. This is open. This is closed position. We will just do the closed position first. Jump up here on our Massey Ferguson. Give it a little preheat. Start it up. And you will see, man, that really shook the tractor front to rear. Try that again. You feel how it shook the tractor front to rear? Now let's watch. Come down here, we'll open the valve. Take it up. You didn't feel that bounce. Watch the cylinder as it does it. See how the cylinder absorbed that shock load? That's what SoftDrive does for you. Now we don't have the third function hooked up, but we can show that by doing our left to right. We're tilting and dump. If you push this button here and we go left, nothing operates either way. As soon as I release the button, it instantaneously goes back. Push the button, see? That's solenoid diverter. It's instantaneously. All you have to do is push the button. It fits here on the new joystick handle kit that comes part of the third function package. We'll just raise this up and show you. We'll jump out here. We're going to show you the componentry of the third function kit. Besides the handle and wire kit that comes standard in this package, we got a new handle that's a formed handle. Much like our larger tractors, our 4700 series uses this exact same handle. It attaches to the base, and you can adjust the height of the lever by how far you cut off. This sleeve comes over, compression fits. The new handle with the third function option is built into it. From that, you're going to have a quick disconnect right down here. So when you take your loader off, you would disconnect this, and that will remove the solenoid third function option from the tractor. And now, the beauty of it all, there's our third function valve. If you look under here, here's your solenoid, here's your wire to control it. That's your solenoid valve there. All this does is diverts the oil. It's simple, it's easy, it's a great idea from Massey Ferguson. And you remove the hoses, you install the third function kit, in between those you got your input on this side, your output here. When you activate the solenoid, it activates these two coupler tips. They're even color coded red and blue to operate to your solenoid, to your implement. Like if we had this grapple hooked up, two female couplers connects to this is all you've got, and your third function ready to go, compatible factory kit. You don't have to worry about affecting your warranty or anything. It's factory approved. AGCO service approves it. It's from AGCO, so it's going to make your tractor perfectly legit, perfectly compatible. Check out the new Massey Ferguson GC1723E and M series with the FL.1805. You get a lot of features, you get a lot of functions, and now more accessories to do more, get more. Just get you a Massey Ferguson. Available at Vahrenberg Implement here in West Central Missouri. We're your Massey Ferguson and Rhino Ag dealer, located right here at 13 Highway and Business 13 in Higginsville, Missouri. We've got a wide array of tractors from subcompacts all the way up to our high horsepower tractors. We're located just 49 miles east of Kansas City, Missouri, just 4 miles north of Interstate 70. So if you're in West Central Missouri, just look for the big Massey Ferguson sign. All the Massey Ferguson tractors and hay tools. And come to that first stoplight, pull in our driveway, come inside that door, and we will show you, help you, and teach you how to get more like this. New features and options for the Massey Ferguson GC series with the FL.1805 loader. Get one today. Visit your local Massey Ferguson dealer and add SoftDrive and third function to your tractor.